Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix login failure in Facebook. So for that, what you need to do is, first thing is you need to clear the cache on Facebook. So to do that, you need to open the setting. The Facebook login issue might cause due to different issues like because of a bug or a glitch, or you made too many login attempts, or Facebook server may be down right now. That's why you're having issue in logging in. So how you can fix this issue is you can go and clear the error or the cache first. So once you open the setting, you need to go to the Facebook app info page. Go to apps and notification. It's different with each Android phone. So you just need to go to the Facebook app info page. Tap on see all app, and there you need to go to the Facebook. Tap upon Facebook. So here you need to go to storage and cache. Tap upon that. On this section you need to tap on clear cache. Once you tap that, all the cache in Facebook will get deleted. So after this, you can try logging in into the account once again. Even after that, if the issue is not solved, you can go to the Google Play Store, and there you can look for the update for Facebook. Tap on Facebook on the search bar. Tap on search. As you can see, the Facebook need to be updated. So tap on update and wait for the update process to be completed. Now once the update is completed, you can tap on open and try to get logged in into your account once again. So this is the second way how you can do it. The third or the final way to log in or to solve that is you can wait for 24 to 28 hours. If all the issues or the attempts failed, probably it means Facebook is down for everyone. If that's the case, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours for the server to be back up. In some cases, you just need to wait for a few hours and you will be able to get logged in into the account right away. So these are the few ways how you can fix the issue of not being able to log in into Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.